Okay, still working on workshop 1 because I want to get her up to speed, so when I do get going and I start getting out there a lot more, 100% out there, I want everything right. And when I bought it, the lady turned around and told me she put a brand new heater fan inside the cab because it had melted the wires, and they'd also put a resistor in there as well because that had burnt out as well. And I think I know what the problem is, because while I'm driving around, the fan's struggling still. You put it on 1, 2, it struggles, 3, it struggles, 4, it struggles, and then you put it on recirc, which then it's using the air inside the van to go through the actual fan. It runs faster. So I'm getting a feeling that someone hasn't changed the pollen filter, and we're going to have a look, because I think we need to. Okay, and it's underneath here, so we'll mind you though, some of these flaming pollen filters, them Fords, the new ones where you have to get underneath the, oh man, you have to get into some weird and wonderful positions to get to that one. This is just a few nuts and bolts just to get it out. It's up, and then pull this out. Like that. Shall we have a quick look? You need a prick. And that pulls right there. Now by rights, oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Look at that. No wonder my fan can't breathe. Let's just make sure they got it in the right way and all. Top. Yes, that was right. But as you can see, that's the reason why my fan is struggling to actually work. Look at that. The other good thing about pollen filters is, as you can see, there's little bits and pieces in here, and it stops all the bits getting into your evaporator and your heater matrix. If it hits it hard enough, it might just leak, but that's the problem. Let's have a look at, I even bought now, where's the difference? You see the difference? Absolutely chock. So that's what caused that problem, and no, that ain't good. So all I can say is that wasn't a bad guess, was it? I mean, I'd have ended up having to put another fan in. It's probably melting the wires. Yeah. Right, I'm going to get this back together again. Hopefully this helps you. If you got like a fan that's struggling, or a resistor pack burning out all the time, check your pollen filter. She could be blocked and she's jammed. This one is jammed. Right, everyone have a good day. Workshop 1 is definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. Should be perfect then. Perfect. So everyone have a good day. If you want to subscribe and any of that, just carry on. Right, let me finish this one. You say brill.